Hey, good morning, YouTube. Alan here at Front Page Fab. And today we are going to turn this into this. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alan here at Front Page Fab. And we're back in the shop tonight working on this welding cart. We got a long ways done on it the other night when we were working on it. Tonight I'm just cleaning up this bottom side so we can I can do a quick paint job on this under part and then flip it back up and slide the cart back down. So I'm just using a rag and wire brushes to clean off the welding dust from the MIG, and nothing too serious here. And then we'll prime and paint this bottom side, everything down here, and then flip it back up, and I'll finish up the top, and we'll be done with this little project. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and always had hot rods in here, so I just haven't had the time to do it. So while my shop was empty, I thought, you know what, now's the time. And I got a new ESAB welder over there, new to me ESAB welder. So started to play with that and get this cart built. So that's what we're doing. So I'm just, like I said, I'm using wire brushes, a rag, and I've got some surface cleaner I buy from Napa. Part number is QTPB1001. It's just a surface cleaner. We'll do that just to get the last of the stuff off that the rag by itself doesn't get. And yeah, and then this is just ready to, like I said, just do a quick knockdown. So that's what we're doing right now, the boring part of fabrication. So, sit back and watch, relax and watch. And for my paint, I'm not doing anything special, just a rattle can paint job. Some Rust-Oleum, and I think I use a hammered black paint. I believe that's what I chose. I'll show you here in a minute once I get this done. Some of you may ask how much this cost. I don't rightly know, and the reason I don't rightly know is because I had, like this tubing here, I had all this from a trailer, swivel wheel trailer I built a couple years ago. So I just had, some extra pieces laying around, and I usually try and keep, I don't know if you can see it over there behind that tank, but I usually try and keep some steel on hand, and most of that I had purchased quite some time ago, way before prices kind of started going stupid. So not real sure cost wise. I can tell you a new lawnmower made. That's not if you can see it, but over there is the tubing for that. Try and get that one done this year. I'll work on that cart over the winter, so that'll be a project we're going to be doing.
I'll paint away. Yeah, that's it. You gotta keep moving so you don't get any runs. I'm going to let this tack up a little bit, and then I'm going to give the outside of it one more coat. Because this area here is where the tanks are going to sit. So it'll see a little extra welding action right there.
Okay, while this is drying, I thought what I would do is show you how I constructed what I've done so far. And I'm sure somebody out there is going to tell me I just am a total rank dip dillwad hill jack amateur, but you know what? This son of a gun, you'll be able to stack anything I want to stack on it, and I guarantee you it'll hold it. So let me take you around and show you what I've done. Okay, so here's what we've got going so far. Just stand up so I can move it around. Okay. So here's what I got. So these two pieces right here are 2" by 2" 1/8" thick, because that's all I had enough to do. This one, and this one are 2" by 2" 1/4" thick, and you'll notice they have a little more rounding to them than the 1/8" does. Like I said, I was using what I had in the shop to do it. I did purchase these wheels. I bought those at our local Rural King. I'll have to find what I think they're a 5" wheel, if I remember right. But they're made to handle all the weight I want to throw at this. So these two are stationary this way, and these two swivel. Okay, so then coming around here, this is where I'm going to have both my tanks. I have a tank over there for MIG, which is 75/25, and then I have a tank over in the corner that is pure argon for TIG welding. So those are both going to sit right here in this area. Then I bought this Husky toolbox from Home Depot when they had it on sale. I think it was a Black Friday thing. And so that's going to hold all my TIG supplies, my wire, spools of wire, supplies for my right angle grinders right there. And then while I was in there buying steel the other day to finish the project, I picked this up, and I already had these right here. These are going to be for holding the tubes of wire for the TIG. These are going to be for hanging the grinders here and the cords for my welder. As you can see, it ain't pretty. It's used. The screen's got a few scratches, whatever, but by golly, I gave less than half of what that sucker cost me. So anyway, that's kind of a breakout of it. Oh, over here on the upright, this is all 1/8" angle iron that I had for this frame here, and then I've got my push handle here, and I'm not sure, I may put a couple hooks here over here on this piece of steel, just to have a couple additional hanging options. We'll see. I'm still undecided on that right now, but I probably will. No, can't have too many things to put stuff on, in my opinion. And then the welder is going to sit up here on this surface, and it's going to go this way, and then I'll have room for a plasma cutter as well. So that's kind of what my plans are. Keep going. We'll keep going here and bring you along with it.